bizarre that this super snacky and sharp chaat isn't as popular outside the city of Banaras as it is in the city where it originates. Every single chaat shop in Banaras will have its own version of the Banarasi Tamatar Chaat, and I have mine too. I've tried to keep my recipe as close as possible to what you will find on the streets of Varanasi. But what separates this chaat from just another average chaat in the country is the fact that this isn't sweetened with your good imli ki chutney, but something really special, for which you will have to watch till the end of the episode to find out. So now I'm just going to start off by turning on the heat. In a pan, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and watch them sizzle. Now add 2 very finely chopped chillies, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, 7 powdered cashew nuts, and stir it well. An addition I like to make at this stage, and you won't commonly find in local recipes, is 1 large spoon of Khoya. I feel this adds a lovely depth to the dish, and when someone bites into these milky solids, they'll wonder what it is. Saute it well until it turns goldenish. Now I'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and saute for another minute. Add 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes, a fat pinch of salt, and half teaspoon black salt because we are extra like that. Once the mixture turns a bit mushy, add 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chaat masala, and mix it again. So while this is simmering, I'm going to go and crush the potatoes. And dip it into my tomato mash. Stir and let it simmer on low while you move on to better things. I'm now making sugar syrup. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of sugar plus water in a way that it completely covers it. In about 3 to 4 minutes, once it gets sticky, add a fat spoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, and stir it well and watch it bubble. So while the chashni is boiling, I'm going to start plating by beginning to chop the onions first. For plating, I'll first add the tomato mixture, top it with finely chopped onions, and sprinkle some same on top. Finish it with coriander leaves, and finally the special sugar syrup. Now that this gorgeously good looking Tamatar Ki Chaat is ready, I'm going to eat it for lunch, and I'll see you all next week.